Hi students, today we will start second chapter work and energy. Energy of a body is its capacity to do work. There are many forms of energy: electrical energy, mechanical energy, light energy, etc. In mechanics, mechanical energy, which is of two types, namely, first kinetic energy, second potential energy. Kinetic energy, the energy possessed by virtue of its motion, is called kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is scalar quantity. SI unit is joule, CGS unit is erg. Kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mv square, where v is velocity of body, m is the mass of that body. Second type, potential energy. It is energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position or configuration. For example, the gravitational potential energy possessed by a body is due to position above the surface of earth. Another example, two electric charges separated by certain distance exert electrostatic force on each other. A system of two electric charges possess potential energy. पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी ही पोजिशनमुळं कुठल्याही ऑब्जेक्टला किंवा बॉडीला मिळते. किंवा जर आपण बघितलं तर पाण्याची पाईपलाईन असती, ती एका ठराविक हाईटला असती, त्याच्यामुळं पूर्ण शहराला पाणी पुरवठा होतो. एनर्जी पजेस ड्यू टू द पोजिशन और ड्यू टू द हाईट, that is potential energy. Potential energy is equal to mgh, unit joule or erg. Now work done. Work is said to be done if force acting on a body is able to move it through some distance in the direction of force. Work done W is equal to vector F dot vector ds, that is equal to F ds cos theta. Vector F is a force acting on a body. Vector ds is a distance moved by the body in the direction of force F. SI unit of work done, joule or Newton per meter. CGS unit of work done is erg. See this slide. In this slide, there is a toys of small children. If this cart is moved or toys is moved by using its thread, then we apply a force F shown by arrow, that is yellow arrow. Displacement is shown by green arrow. Force and displacement making an angle theta with each other. Then work done W is equal to force into displacement. Then work done W is equal to F cos theta into displacement, and W is equal to Fs cos theta. Work done is equal to force into displacement. This formula is converted into work is equal to Fs cos theta if there is angle between force and displacement is theta, then work is equal to Fs cos theta. There are three cases in work done. Case first, if the angle between force and displacement theta is equal to 0 degree, then force is equal to Fs, that is positive work is done. Case second, if force and displacement are perpendicular to each other, then work done is equal to 0. And case third, if force and displacement are opposite to each other, it means angle between them theta is equal to 180 degree, then work done is negative, W is equal to minus Fs. Consider case first. See, this is the children's toys. If these toys is moved horizontally on this table, then displacement and force showing same direction. Then angle between force and displacement is 0. It gives positive work. Angle between force and displacement is 0. Then cos theta is equal to cos 0, that is equal to 1. Then force into displacement, that is work, is equal to Fs. When force and displacement are in same direction, the work performed on an object is said to be positive work. We see above example of positive work. Second, in this figure, displacement and force of gravity direction is opposite to each other. When this book is moved in upward direction, displacement is shown by green arrow. Equal and opposite force, that is due to the force of gravity, act in downward direction. It shows that force and displacement are in opposite direction, then angle between them is theta is equal to 180 degree. Then work done is equal to Fs cos theta. Put value of theta is 180 degree, cos 180, that is equal to minus 1. Then work done, W is equal to minus Fs. This is negative work done. Negative work. Work done is said to be negative when force and displacement are in opposite direction. For example, when an object is thrown upward, force clear to send in downward direction, whereas displacement act in upward direction. Case third, when force and displacement are making an angle 90 degree, theta is equal to 90 degree. In this picture, a man carrying his basket and moving on the road. In that basket, there is a weight. A man moves on a horizontal surface. Man act a force, that direction of force in vertically upward, and displacement is in horizontal direction. Force in vertical direction, displacement in horizontal direction. Force and displacement making an angle 90 degree with each other, so that force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. Then work done W is equal to Fs cos theta. Cos theta is equal to cos 90, that is equal to 0. Then work done W is equal to 0. This is the case third. Now 0 work done. Consider another example. When coolie moves from one place to another place on a railway platform with a load on his head, then work done by the coolie is 0, because the coolie exerts a force along a vertical direction to support load on his head and no any distance covered by him is along horizontal direction. A weight lifter who hold a heavy weight over the head. The head does no work on the weight, that is work done only on muscle by the stretching and contracting, which is force. जर समजा आपण उदाहरण बघितलं की रेल्वे स्टेशनवरती हा माल त्याच्या डोक्यावर ओझं घेऊन चालतोय, तर त्यांनी ते ओझं हाताने धरलेलं असतं. म्हणजेच काय केलेलं असतं, तर फोर्स हा वरती ओझं धरण्यासाठी लावलेला असतो आणि त्याची जी डिस्प्लेसमेंट असती ती समांतर सरळ हॉरिझॉन्टल डायरेक्शनला असते. आणि फोर्स कुठं असतो, व्हर्टिकली अपवर्ड. फोर्स इज व्हर्टिकली अपवर्ड, displacement is horizontally. The force and displacement making an angle 90 degree so that work done is equal to 0. This is the example of 0 work done. Thank you.